a method for dividing large numbers which breaks the division problem into multiple steps following a sequence. So this is the steps for the long division. So number one step 1 is to set up the division. Step 2 is to divide the leading terms. So step 2 is divide the leading terms. Then step 3 is to multiply and subtract. Step 4 is to bring down the next term. And then step 5 is to repeat steps 2 to 4. Then last step is write the answer. So for the synthetic division is a simple or simplified method for dividing a polynomial by a linear expression of the form x minus c. So this is the steps for the synthetic division. So step 1 is to set up, and step 2 is to bring down the first coefficient, and step 3 is to multiply and add. Step 4, repeat. Then the last step is interpret the result.
I am Mr. Malignano. I am here to present an example from long division. Our first example is 4x plus 8x squared minus 6x plus 8 divided by x squared. Our given is very obvious. First, we write our division, which is x minus 2. Our division is already Now, our first step is to divide the first term by the first term or x divided by x is equal to now we will multiply 4x squared by x. It will be equal to now we will multiply 4x squared by x is equal to
5 nalaman ko.
So we will make both of these opposites. Positive 4x and the negative x squared will be equal to plus 8x squared. Now, 4x cubed plus minus 4x cubed will be cancelled. Since it will be 0. Now, 8x squared plus 8x squared is equals to 16. Now we will make all the steps we need in here. Now we will bring down the next step. We will find 16x squared divided by x squared divided by 16x squared by x equals to 8. We will have to search the next cancel this and put this down. Negative 6 plus 32 plus 6 we have now set we will bring down our last term, which is 8. We will First, we will write again our divisor first. Second process are divide the first term. So since this is the first term, then we'll copy our x to cancel 6 equals 3x squared. Then we will go to step multiply. Then we'll repeat the steps like we did earlier. X multiply x squared. After multiplying by x, and multiply it again by positive 4. This is the final answer. X squared plus 3x minus 6 plus negative 3 divided by x plus 1. Now that we're done with long division, we need to set the synthetic division. I will show the first example.
9 times negative 2 is equal to
First,
negative 18.
we will check if these are
Again,
properly
we will
arranged.
be distributing the negative steps. Turning 9x into negative
Our first term
and
starts with x squared.
negative 18
And
into a positive.
this term
Now we will add them.
negative 8x cubed, which doesn't look right, so we will properly arrange this. Negative 8x cubed will be at the first. Then plus 5x squared plus x plus 7. Now we will copy and right. Then we will divide this by x minus 2. Now we will copy the second term of the divisor, which is negative 3, and we will make this the opposite. Positive 3. Another thing with them, we will only copy the opposite. For negative 8x, it will be negative 8. For positive 5x squared, we will copy 5. For x, we will write 1 since it has an invisible coefficient.
Again, we will give the solution.
And sign negative sign. For the first term, we will bring down the negative.
Now we will be adding 9x will be cancelled. And
So we will multiply negative
this
8
positive 8
by 3,
will
which is
be 24.
negative 24.
Therefore, the remainder will be reserved
Now we will add this.
x minus
5 plus negative 24 is negative 5. Negative 19 times 3 is equals to negative 57. Negative, positive 1 plus negative 57 is negative 56. Negative 56 times 3 is equals to negative 168. Seven plus negative 168 is equals to negative 161. Now we will copy our variable, then we will remove one power to these exponents. For the first exponent, it will be x squared. Then the second one will be plus x. Then we will not write any variable to this. For our last term, it will be the remainder. Our final answer is negative 8x squared minus 20x minus 56 plus negative 161 divided by x minus 10.
Good afternoon, I'm Mr. Ali, and here is the second example of synthetic division. The dividend has been arranged so the divisor is x minus 2 will be x plus 2, positive x to positive 2. Copy the coefficient 2, 6, 5, 7. So, bring down the 2. 2 times 2 equals to 4. 4 plus 6 equals to 10. 10 times 2 equals to 20. 5 plus 12 equals to 25. 25 times 2 equals to 15. 7 plus 15 equals to 57. Subtract 1 from the high exponent. So, x squared. And this is the x.
For those who are done, you may yes,
Plus 57 over copy the divisor x minus. Answer is 2x squared plus 10x plus 25 plus 57 over x minus 4.